saving money, but your bank account still looks the same? Or maybe everyone's talking about investing and you're just sitting there thinking, wait, what is investing anyway? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I am breaking down investing in a way that's fun, simple, and actually makes sense. We'll cover what is investing, how to invest, and how small steps today can lead to big results tomorrow. Let's dive in. What is investing? Let's keep it simple. Investing is all about putting your money into things like stocks, real estate, or even crypto, with the hope that they'll grow in value or pay you income over time. So when you hear someone ask, what is investing? Just remember, it's a smarter way to grow your money than letting it nap in a basic savings account. While saving in a bank account is safe, the returns are usually tiny. That's why more and more people are turning to investing, especially for long-term goals like buying a house or retiring somewhere sunny.
How to invest without losing your mind. So, how to invest? It's easier than you might think. You can open an online brokerage account or use apps that let you start investing with just a few dollars. You don't need to be rich or have a finance degree. If you're not sure where to start, mutual funds and ETFs are great beginner-friendly options. They spread your money across lots of different investments, which helps lower risk and keep things simple. Types of investments. Pick your adventure. There are so many ways to invest, and you don't need to choose just one. Stocks. Buy shares of a company and grow with them or fall with them. Yep, there's risk too. Bonds. Lend money to a government or company and earn steady interest. Real estate. Own property that can rise in value or generate rental income. ETFs and mutual funds. Invest in a bunch of things at once. Easy, smart, and less risky. Crypto and collectibles, riskier, trendier options, but some people love the thrill. Why do people invest? Investing helps your money work for you. You can earn in two ways. One, your investments go up in value and you sell them for a profit called appreciation. Two, they pay you income over time like interest or dividends, income investing. But wait, what about risks? Yes, investing involves risk. You can lose money, especially in the short term, but with smart choices and patience, the long-term rewards can be worth it. Generally, the younger you are, the more risk you can take, because you've got time to bounce back. Ready to start? Let's go. Start small, stay consistent, and don't stress over daily market ups and downs. If you're feeling unsure, talking to a financial advisor can help, but many apps today are designed for beginners too. So the next time someone asks, what is investing or how do I start investing, you'll have the answer. It's how you build wealth over time, starting with whatever you have now. I have just shared what I have learned from over 9 years of personal investing experience, the ups, the downs, and everything in between. And this is just the beginning. I'll be making new videos where I dive deeper into different ways of investing, the types of investments out there, side hustles, passive income, and so much more, all from my own journey and what's actually worked for me. If you found this video helpful or learned something new, it would mean the world to me if you'd support this new journey of mine here on YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this adventure going and helps more people learn about investing the easy way. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.